Good morning, children. How are you, all of you? So nowadays you are hearing a word corona. It's not corona, it's corona. Okay, may I repeat again? It's a corona. Please children say that it's a corona. Okay, children, here we have a discourses class, and the discourses here minor discourses. I brought you here the minor discourses. Broadly you divide these minor discourses MDN and say PIP. Remember these two words, MDN, PIP. Okay, what is MDN? MDN, M stands for message, D stands for diary, and N stands for notice. Okay, children, you see here PIP. What is PIP? Poster, invitation, profile. So these two words help you lot in writing examination. So paper 1 you can expect MDN means message, diary, notice, and paper 2 PIP. So here half job is done here. What is paper 1 MDN, paper 2 PIP, paper 1 MDN, paper 2 PIP. Done. Okay. So there will be no doubt which comes which paper, which comes which paper. No doubt at all. Okay. MDN. Let us see the MDN. Message, diary, notice. Already you might have learned in the previous classes the message. And let us see here the total details of message writing. Children, have you written any time message? Either it's in mobile or writing on paper. Whatever you write, it's a message. So you can get the doubt, sir. Actually, what we are supposed to write in the examination? Is it a mobile writing message or general paper? So whatever you write, it's not a matter. You should simply follow its format, its indicators. The examiner will give you definitely 5 marks. So okay, let us see the message writing. What are its indicators? Means when if you are writing in the examination and everyone expects 5 marks. 5 marks, and it consists of 5 marks, and most of them, sir, I want 5 marks. What I am supposed to do in writing letter? So simply you follow the indicators, then you can expect 5 marks out of 5 marks. What are indicators? So relevant ideas to the context. So you should write what is the context, what is the situation, what is the question that you write. For example, if you are writing a letter about message Haridahar, you write its context, not about a wedding or something else or something else. And maintain the brevity, means it's a simple language use. Simple language use as per the context and content. The language must be there. And next, use of conventions. What are conventions? Commas must be there. If you are writing a letter, comma, you must, after writing a date, you should give comma, and after writing you should give full stop, and after writing salutation you should give comma, after ending of the message you should write full stop. These are the conventions, and moreover the letter message, it should be written minimum half of the page. This very important. And next, coming to other indicators, layout and format. As I told you, so it's half page, and even if it is a message, you are writing message. So children, I want to let you know one thing. In the minor discourses, you can't expect any choice, since it's a minor discourse. Major discourses, you have a choice. Either you select essay writing or letter writing, something. But here you can't have any choice. Only one will be given and you have to attempt. So I am telling you that layout and format, and in this the layout must be half page, and you should write its heading, message, and salutation, and the body of the message, and sender's name also. This layout, it's nothing but, as I am telling, it's a one of the indicator, one of the feature of message. And coming to appropriate language, just now I told you, the language must be very simple, appropriate to the content and context. Context means as per the situation. What is the context there? Haritaharam. The word related to Haritaharam only, right? And if it is about Mission Bhagirath or something other, the language must be related. So these are the indicators. So if indicators you are following, definitely you can expect the 5 marks in the message writing. Okay, coming. So everyone is aware, sir, I know this, all this, but how I can write it? So please tell me about the body of the message and what to write. Okay, coming to the original writing of message writing. So children, when you are writing message, first you write message and you write date. Date must be there. Either you write in a British date or American date. So in the next class, I let you know what are the types of dates also there. I will tell you in the next my class. And the message, the proper indicator, the difference between message and letter writing. Letter writing is nothing but a big message. Letters are nothing but messages, but those are big. And here is small. The difference between message and letter is, message you can find the time. And in the letter writing we find the place. We can't find the time there. That is the main difference, message and letter writing. That's what children remember, that you should write time here. And to whom you are writing, it's nothing but in the letter writing we say it's a salutation or greeting. So here he is writing. Who is writing? Suresh is writing. To whom he is writing? He is writing to Ramesh. So that's what he wrote, dear Ramesh. This also one of the indicator. And after writing salutation or greeting, immediately you end with comma. So and then the body of the message. See here, I left the one word space here. Then I wrote. This is the correct way of writing. This is a correct way of writing. Not from some children, I observed that some children, they write of here to here, half only. I mean vertical they write. It's not there. So you should write body of the letter just below the greeting or salutation, and simple language use. Simple line, very, very simple, appropriate, content according to the question. So this we should write, and the writer's name also you must write. So who is writing, to whom this letter message should be given or sent. So this is about a short message. Children, I hope you enjoyed this class. In my next class, I will tell you more other discourses, and you will enjoy my class. Thank you all of you.